Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically collab with your friends on like an Instagram story. That's what I'm trying to say here. So I'm just going to slide it to the left side, and I'll just take a picture of this randomly. You're going to then tag your friend's name here, and then they can choose to like repost it, and then they'll be able to collab on that Instagram story, and like people will be able to I guess find their name as well, so that if they tag you, they can like repost it, and like your name is going to be there, and they can pretty much select your name. Like people can select your name and they'll be able to find your account, and that's how you can collab a story on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm losing my voice. Bye!